This is my badge that I rescued from a landfill. We are at Rethink Inc. in Terre Haute. I got Adam and Mitch with me today. Say hi. Hi.
Hello. Welcome.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
All right, so we are standing in Precious Plastic Rethink. So this is our workspace. The process begins with us collecting plastic from the community. Our overall goal being to take this material that's pretty problematic and turn it into something that is useful or beautiful or somehow serves our community. So giving this material a long-term purpose. So as long as it is clean and delabeled and a Type 2 and Type 5. Type 2 is high-density polyethylene. Those are your milk jugs, vinegar bottles, laundry detergent containers, some lids, or polypropylene, that's Type 5. That's a lot of caps, lids, yogurt containers, takeout containers. So when you're looking at your plastic waste, you're looking for the number on it. If it's a 2 or 5, clean, delabeled, we can work with it here. So we'll sort it by type and by color, and then we will shred it. So we have our shredder here, 5 horsepower Precious Plastic V4 shredder. So that will break the plastic down into a more uniform and small size, like you see here. So once you have your shred, you can melt it and reform it into new things on the extruder and the sheet press over here. So on the extruder, we make mostly plastic lumber beams. We're using these molds over here, 1x1s, 1x2s, and 2x4s. We also have made a couple other things on the extruder, like little carabiner keychains, disc golf, putters for disc golf. On the sheet press, we can make panels in various sizes and thicknesses. Up to 35 inches by 35 inches. We've done 1/4 inch thickness and 1/2 inch thickness, round and square so far. Here are some examples of things that we've made. Yeah.
Precious Plastic Rethink takes donations from the public.
Yes.
Of 2 types of plastic.
Yes. Yep.
So we got number 5 here.
Perfect.